Alright, what's up everybody? This is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas Realtor, bringing you another property tour. So what you see right here is actually the sales office, which is the two-car garage, but we're going to come this way. Okay, so this home right here is 2,089 square feet by KB Homes. Now this is actually the Stonegate, which is collection 1, which is all the 2 stories. So we're up here in the Summerlin area. And the asking price for this home is $415,990. So let's go inside, let's take a look, see what they have to offer. So looks like you have an option from a 3-bedroom to a 5-bedroom and 2.5 to 3 bath 2-car garage. Alright, so let's go inside here. As we enter, wow, this is almost the same thing as that. Wow, this is a unique floor plan. It's almost like that first floor that we toured, the, I think it was like 1858, the X model. Okay, let's see what they got here. I'm gonna put all this down for a second here. I'm gonna come along this way, get a better view. Look at this. There you go. I think this one is, for me, this just feels like more homey. I love it. I actually kind of like this one out of them all. So look at this nice 2-inch or 1.5 inch granite here. Now I believe with this builder you get the standard 1/2 inch, but if you wanted to upgrade to 1.5 inch, that would be an upgrade. You got the undermounted sink here, a dual basin, stainless steel, the Moen. This should be the touch, I believe. You got your white cabinets, full overlay cabinets with your handles here. Whirlpool appliances. Okay. You got your double stack oven here, which is really nice. And these are electric and connected Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth. And you also have your 36-inch cook countertops with your microwave, but you got to double check to make sure that it vents to the outside. Okay. On this one, you do have a 4-inch backsplash. Okay. Here's your pantry on a 6/8 door, not insulated. You got your chicken wire shelving. Okay. I don't know how sturdy these are. Basically, I got one of these at one point, and I put some wood on here. These things just don't hold up very well. I prefer the wood. Washer and dryer and the refrigerator typically are not included into the set. We do have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor here. Now the tile, these are 6x24s. I'm sorry, 12x24s with a 6-inch stagger on here. Okay. You do have a 10-foot slide, 8-foot. Remember, we talked about these vinyl doors. They're just not that great with this this product here. So let's go to the outside. Now you do have a slide here. Now this was an upgrade for sure. Nice covered patio. Love the terracotta stone here. Look at this. I love the color of the paint of the exterior. It's really nice. And this lot size is roughly probably about 6,000 square feet, or maybe a little bit smaller than that. But I do love the color of this. Let's see here. The air conditioning unit is with Bryant 16-SEER AC units. Okay, so nothing there. Let's come back over here. Let's go back inside. I'm gonna come back this way here. Here we go. Now there was a room down here. So here's a bedroom. Oh, I love that window right there. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, these carpets are like nice and plush too. I definitely would want to have that open right there. That's kind of cool. Now, this one you had an option to do a full bath, tub shower combo. 4-piece fiberglass here, which is really nice. And you have mowing. Appliances. Okay. Now let's come up this way here. This kind of just shows you the energy efficiency of the home through a third-party company right here. It says use homes. This is actually incorrect. This is kind of like the median, okay? This is what they're saying KV homes are. This is what like you'll save an estimate a month. I don't know how efficient that is. Also, the higher you go in the number, the worse it gets. The lower the better. So KV scores about a 55. But with this builder, with a lot of builders, you're gonna sign a waiver stating that it's all different. Okay. Here's the 2-car garage alarm system. Let's go upstairs. All right. As we come up, we have a loft. So this is a decent sized loft area right here. Masters here off to the left. Oh, let's take a look at the master. Oh, I love the carpets. They're nice and plush. Ooh, look at this. Now, we got 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Man, I remember when I used to dunk on 8-foot ceilings. Ooh. Did I just say I remember when I used to dunk on 8-foot ceilings? I'm just out of it today. I don't know what it is. Well, last night what we did was we did the live stream on YouTube, and that was actually kind of fun. I don't know if you were able to watch it or not, but I thought it was pretty good. So I guess what we're doing now, or let me know in the comments below if you guys liked the show last night. We're thinking about doing 2 shows. One called Vegas Connection, and that's really for people that are interested in moving to Vegas, and we just talk about Vegas and what's going on in Vegas. Then I'm thinking about doing another live show every Wednesday, probably at noon. And this is where we talk about real estate and answer any real estate questions that you may have. But last night I had so much fun, but by the time I got home I was tired. I had to get up this morning, get ready to show property. And I do have probably about like an hour break right now, so that's why I'm doing this video tour. Then I gotta go and meet up with another client, finish up, then I gotta go to the office. Then we got 3 more contracts that came in today. I gotta deal with those. So today's been a little bit hectic, so I've been a little bit tired, but also I drank a Red Bull, so I guess my mouth is moving so fast that I can't even keep up with my mind, if that makes sense. Oh, I love the sink. For some apparent reason, I don't know if people actually use a sink, but my next home I'm going to get a sink. I don't know why, inside the laundry room. I just feel like you should just get a sink. It's just a great upgrade. Ooh, they're like, ooh, look at this. Include structural wiring panel. Like, it's such a big deal. Like, all the builders are doing this now. So on this spec right here, the only thing that they did on here, okay, by looking at this tells me that there's only 4, right, Cat 6. Where are the Cat 6? Probably you have a 1-to-1, which means one inside the master bedroom, one inside the living room that's connected to 2 of these cables, right? And these are cables right here. This may be in one of the offices and also the loft. And this is in one of the bedrooms and one in the loft. This right here is a tube, okay? This is what you guys need to start looking out for, especially when you have these panel box. Is this connected to the D mark? Now what this is a fish line. The reason why you have this is because there's a piece of wire in here that you're going to pull, because what's happening is now is fiber optics is starting to run through the city, and you want to make sure that you have this to have that option for high-speed internet. If you don't have this, you're pretty much screwed. You're not screwed, it's just the technology with high speed is changing rapidly. Okay, I mean, this loft is a decent size, I would say. Alright, there's a bathroom. Let's take a look at this bathroom. Bathroom, you got the 12 by 24 on the tile. And you got the tub and shower combo. And man, I don't want to finish this video short, but I'm gonna have to go, so we gotta finish this thing strong, quick. All right, I'm thinking about which room to go in. Should I go into this room, or should I go in this room? Let me know in the comments below. Left, right. I'm gonna go to this room. Okay. Oh, somebody's pinging me. Where you at? Where you at? Hold on, just relax for just a second. Now this room's a little bit, I don't want to say small, but you know what? That's probably 10 by 11. So let's go this way. All right. Ooh, somebody has a baby. Kids are cute, but I just don't have time to have kids. Some of you guys that have been watching this channel for some time, you guys know that I do have a daughter that's 22 years old. She's actually my stepdaughter. I don't have any kids of my own. I just never really chose to have kids. I think I'm just so into my career, and I don't want to be selfish, but I do love kids. Okay, I do have nieces and nephews that I do spoil. The good news is that when you're done, you can send them home. Now, I raised my stepdaughter since she was I think 3 years old. I mean, getting up early in the morning, going to school and all that stuff. Oh man, I used to do all that stuff. Alright, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. If you think it's worth the asking price, if you can see yourself living here. If you guys want more information about this property, all you guys got to do is just give me a call. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.